This is the oneisall 4-in-1 pet grooming kit. The seal on here is kind of nice. If someone tries to remove this tag, it's going to leave the words void on there, so you know you're not going to get a return, or you know that you did get a return. Inside you've got the instruction manual, of course the trimmer, and various heads here, various trimming size heads, and then there's a nail grinder. I'm just going to switch it out and show you the difference between my old nail grinder and this one. So I'm going to turn this on, and that's high, and then this is my old nail grinder. So you can hear there's quite a difference in the decibel level. So it says it's quiet, so I'd have to agree with it. It is definitely quieter than a typical nail grinder. On the old nail grinder, you can remove these little sanding wheels and put a new wheel on. On this one here, this guard comes off, but I don't see a way to replace this when it gets bad. I don't know if you have to buy a whole new head or if you can get head parts. Anyway, it's really easy to put the different heads on there. It does come with some, I think it's lubricating oil. It doesn't make any mention of it in the instructions, but I'm assuming that's it, because it says you can wash the heads directly under water. And I would think after you do that, you're going to probably need to lubricate, because inside there are moving parts that have lubrication on them. So you got a charging cable, and it does have a 2-year warranty, but I would say for everything that's included with this, it's a great little kit, and I'd recommend it.
Coco. 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 Coco, look who's here. Hi.
If you have a small dog, it'll probably work. But once you put these pieces in your hand, oh my gosh, what am I going to do with that? Everybody knows that these nail trimmers don't work. I might be able to get in between the paws, I guess. It's way smaller than I thought. And for the amount of money, you might as well get like a regular human trimmer. Cheaper, it'll do way more.